Welcome to the lesson on the simple future tense, negative form. In this part of the tense, we learn how to talk about actions that will not happen in the future. For example, when you say, I will not go, or he will not come, you are using the negative form of the simple future tense. To make a negative sentence in the simple future tense, use will not or its shorter form, won't, before the base form of the verb. For example, I will not go means the same as I won't go. Both are correct, but won't is more common in everyday English. The structure of a negative sentence in the simple future tense is subject plus will not or won't plus the base form of the verb. For example, he won't come or they will not study. The verb stays in its base form without any changes. Here are some examples to help understand better. I won't eat breakfast. He will not come to the party. They won't play football tomorrow. We will not visit London. In all of these examples, the action will not take place in the future. Now compare negative and question sentences. In the negative form, we say, I won't travel tomorrow, or she will not help. In the question form, we reverse the order and say, will you travel tomorrow, or will she help? Notice that in questions, the word will comes before the subject. Many learners make mistakes when forming the future negative. For example, they might say, I don't will go. That is wrong. The correct form is I won't go. Another mistake is he not will come. The correct sentence is he won't come. Remember, in the simple future tense, we only use will not or won't before the main verb and never use do or does. Let us practice together. Change these sentences into their negative forms. I will call you tonight becomes I won't call you tonight. She will cook dinner becomes she won't cook dinner. They will meet us at the park becomes they won't meet us at the park. We will finish the project tomorrow becomes we won't finish the project tomorrow. To review, the negative form of the simple future tense uses will not or won't before the base verb. It is used to say that something is not going to happen in the future. For example, I won't watch television tonight, we will not travel next month, and she won't open the door. Keep practicing and the structure will soon become natural to you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.